Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Orange Park local and long distance movers near me. To make sure that your move to Orange Park is a success, you'll need to enlist the services of a professional moving company. 3 Movers is the top choice, as we prioritize efficiently and professionally handling our customers' moves. Trust us with your move, and you'll surely see the results. When it comes to organizing and navigating local moves, we also have experience moving to local apartments and gated complexes. We know how difficult it is to move to places like that, but we understand these residential settings. Our team of expert movers knows how to work with apartment management and always sticks to all the rules that must be followed. For a successful long-distance move to Orange Park, Florida, it is crucial to enlist the services of a reliable and experienced moving company. 3 Movers is the ideal choice, as we prioritize our customers' seamless and secure relocation. We put our customers' satisfaction front and center in everything we do, because it's more important than anything else. At 3 Movers, we understand the significance of a well-executed relocation and are dedicated to providing exceptional service. Also, you don't have to worry about the safety of your belongings because we make sure we pack them all correctly and use some of the best packing materials there. We make sure to use high-quality packing materials to give the belongings maximum protection throughout the moving process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Orange Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.